Hi guys, I was gifted this 20-foot flagpole from the seller so I could show you all its cool features and how I install it. Let's go ahead and take it out of the box so I can show you what you're gonna get. Alright, so it's all wrapped up neatly here. I'm gonna take it out of its package so I can show you everything that it has. Alright, I wanted to show you everything that came in the package. So you got an American flag. It includes this wrench to tighten up or loosen the pipe. It's a collapsible design, so it's really easy to put up and take down. You just pull it up, and then twist it, and then that locks it into place. It also comes with the white pipe that goes in the ground. So you're going to put that in first, and it has the instructions how to use that wrench. It comes with a topper for the top of the flagpole, some carabiners to mount your flag, and some white gloves. So I'm going to go ahead and put this white pipe in first, and then we'll raise up the flag. Okay, so I already got the flag hooked up top, and to raise it, you're just going to expand it, tighten it a little bit, expand it, tighten it a little bit, and that's it, you're done. All right, so there we have it. You got your 20-foot flagpole installed in less than 5 minutes. It was extremely easy to install because that expandable design, you don't have to put any pipes together. You're just expanding them, tightening, expanding, tighten, until you get it all the way to the top. So if you guys need a flagpole, go ahead and get this one. This one's extremely easy to raise and lower. So go ahead and get it. Thanks.